Hello traders, today 27th of November 2023 guys. I hope you are banking amazing profit. We had a beautiful trades, all the yen pair. Let me share with you guys how we manage a decent amazing profit at the market open on the pound yen. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, that's where we look at the first thing. As if you look at here, market nicely broken and could not maintain. And if you look at this candlestick pattern, this is bearish inside candle pattern, give us the highest possibility of short trade here as soon as the market break this level, and that's what I explained my trader. Keep enjoying pullback short trade here. The first target was at this level, which price nicely hit and bank amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. Pretty straightforward. At the market open, as you can see, the market already developed sideways market, so we're looking this breakout. So based on the 4-hour explanations, we had this beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we announced keep taking a pullback. We have this pullback. As soon as the price hit to the fifth channel and first target on the 4-hour, that's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy amazing profit. So guys, if you don't want to miss those analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support with the full description of the analysis with the support, most welcome. Join our fast growing today community. Have a nice day, guys.